Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the Spring Cloud API Gateway and how it is working. So for that we will create one service as a Spring Cloud API Gateway which is act like a entry point of our application. Means suppose any request is come, that is it will go through our Spring Cloud API Gateway. This is the entry point. We can say this is the door of our application. Every request should pass through our Spring Cloud API Gateway. Okay, so suppose we have one client application and client application want to communicate with this user's microservice. Then client application will do the request to this our Spring Cloud API Gateway, but Spring Cloud API Gateway don't have the address of this our user microservice. So in that case Spring Cloud API Gateway will call our Eureka server. So we will configure like this. The Spring Cloud API Gateway will register to the Eureka server. So after that, once Spring Cloud API Gateway request to the Eureka server will return all the available instances of our user microservice. So it is have the load balancing capacity. So which service user service is available, it will redirect the request to that the particular user microservice. And one more thing, it will validate the JWT token. If that JWT token is valid, then only it will the request will pass. Otherwise, the request will not pass. So like this, we will configure in our system. So this is I take the example of user microservice. There are the many microservice. It can be available in our suppose in our application. So it will communicate to the other microservice also. Yeah, this is all about this Spring Cloud API Gateway. In our next video, we will configure this API Gateway in our application. Thank you.